This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a VW Beetle center console. Begin by ensuring your vehicle is off and the parking brake is engaged. For safety, disconnect the negative terminal of your car's battery using a 10mm wrench. Next, locate and remove the 2 screws at the front of the center console, often found near the gear shifter. Gently lift the shifter boot to reveal any hidden screws or clips that secure the console. This initial preparation is crucial for a smooth removal process. With the initial screws removed, it is time to disconnect the electrical components. You will find various connectors for switches, power outlets, and potentially the auxiliary input or USB ports. Gently press the release tabs and pull each connector free. Take your time to ensure all wiring harnesses are completely detached from the console. This step prevents damage to the electrical system as you proceed with the removal. Now, check for any additional screws or clips securing the console along its sides or at the rear. These might be hidden under trim pieces. Once all fasteners are removed, use a plastic trim removal tool to gently pry up the rear section of the console. Work your way forward, carefully lifting the entire console assembly. Be mindful of any remaining wires or cables that might still be attached underneath. When reinstalling, reverse the steps carefully. First, ensure all electrical connectors are reattached securely, listening for a click. Align the console properly, making sure all tabs and clips engage. Replace all screws, tightening them just enough to be snug, but avoid over-tightening to prevent stripping. Finally, reconnect your car's battery. Double-check all functions to ensure everything works correctly after the process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.